Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to fix and solve CamScanner app not opening with a few simple steps that anyone can follow. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and clear the CamScanner cache and data. To do that, open the Settings app, scroll down, and see the Apps option. Then click on it to open it up. Step 2. From the Apps menu, go to the search bar at the top and type in CamScanner. Once you see it appear, tap on it to open the app's info page. Step 3. Now on the CamScanner app info screen, scroll down and select the storage option. Inside, you'll see two buttons labeled Clear Cache and Clear Data. Tap on both one by one to reset the app's stored files. Step 4. Once you've cleared the storage, go back to the previous screen. Look down toward the bottom of the screen and you'll find the Force Stop button. Tap on it, confirm your action, and then manually restart your phone to refresh the system. Step 5. If the problem still isn't fixed, it may be due to an outdated version of the app. To check for updates, return to your home screen, open the Play Store, go to the search bar, and type in CamScanner. Step 6. Now, look at the results and tap on the CamScanner app. If you see an Update button, tap on it to install the latest version of the app. If no update is available and the app is still not working, try reinstalling it. First, hit the Uninstall button, confirm when prompted, and after that, tap Install again. Once it finishes installing, open the app and your issue should be resolved. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.